Hey guys, it's Jalal here, and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review of this Corsair Vengeance LPX. So what we have here is DDR4, that's 32 gigs in total, which is twice 16 gigabyte. The memory frequency is 3000 megahertz, latency is C15, the voltage by default is 135 volts, and it's pretty much compatible with almost every motherboard which is in the market at the moment. You can also overclock it. You can overclock the memory frequency, you can overclock the voltage, and it has support for the Intel XMP Profile 2.0. So let's do the unboxing now. As I told you, this is DDR4, which means double data rate of 4th generation, because there are other types of RAM like SDR and QDR, and the difference is the number of signals which are sent at every clock cycle. So DDR sends 2 per cycle, SDR sends 1, and QDR sends 4. So as you see here, this memory is kind of small in terms of height, and that's what we call low profile memory, and that's where the LPX name comes from. And that means that when you're gonna install it in your motherboard, it will not take so much space, and when you will install the CPU and the fan of the CPU, it will not interfere, and there will be plenty of space for anything else. This black surface that you see here is a surface which is made in anodized aluminum, and it acts as a heatsink for the RAM, because when the RAM heats up, or generally when any electronic device heats up, it loses in performance. So it's really crucial to have a sort of heatsink which will dissipate the temperature and keeps it at a acceptable levels for the device. I'm just gonna take off this label here for those of you who like the sound of it. On the back there is not much going on, we just have this label here which contains information that I have given you already. So when you want to plug this RAM in your motherboard, you have to be careful about which side you're gonna plug it in, because this little hole is not exactly in the middle, so there is one way which is correct and not the other. So all you have to do is look carefully in the motherboard in which side it's gonna be inserted. And also, depending on how many RAM modules you will want to insert in the motherboard, there are some slots which are more optimized than others. So for example, when you want to insert 2 RAM modules, generally the slot number 1 and number 3 are the most optimal ones. So this memory kit here costs £250 in London. That's it guys for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you have enjoyed it, you can press the like button. If not, you don't have to. And if you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.